In this video, I'm going to show you how to check for corrupted files and repair them in Windows 10 automatically. So there is very simple and quick method to check and repair automatically corrupted file in your Windows PC or laptop. Click on Start, then type CMD. Right click on Command Prompt and click on Run as Administrator. It will ask permission, so click on Yes. Now you need to type this code SFC space backslash scan now. So you need to type this code, then press enter. Now you will see this process will take some time. You need to wait about 20-30 minutes, and this processor will check all corrupted files and it will repair automatically. So this is the useful method to check and repair corrupted file in your PC. And friends, when this processor will be complete, you will see this notice and message in the last: Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files and successfully repaired them. So that's it friends, like this you can repair and check corrupted file on your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching.